Madagascar. The name whispers the gentle promise of adventure, conjuring images of untouched landscapes and a world teeming with life, unlike any other place on Earth. As the fourth largest island in the world, it is a bastion of biodiversity, a treasure trove of nature's artistry. Mention Madagascar, and you think of tropical rainforests, lush greenery that seems to blend with the rhythm of the earth. The rainforests of Atsinanana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stretch across the island like a green blanket, harboring the secrets of rare and endangered species. Each tree, each leaf, each drop of rain is a testament to the resilience of life. Here, the air is thick with the scent of damp earth and the calls of creatures that have evolved in isolation, creating a symphony of sounds that echo through the canopy. Imagine standing in the heart of these forests, surrounded by giant trees that seem to touch the sky. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor, where vibrant flowers bloom in a riot of color. The beauty is overwhelming, almost surreal. This is a world where time seems to stand still, where the only measure of existence is the heartbeat of nature. And amidst this verdant paradise, lemurs play, their antics a charming reminder of the joy of life. From the tiny mouse lemur, no bigger than a finger, to the majestic Indri with its haunting calls echoing through the trees, these creatures are not just animals. They are symbols of Madagascar's uniqueness, each one a thread in the intricate tapestry of life here. Venture further, and you encounter the Tsingy da Bemaraha, an unimaginable landscape. Sharp limestone pinnacles rise like the teeth of a giant, forming a labyrinth that challenges the very concept of what a landscape can be. This is where nature has created its own art, where rocks tell stories of ancient times, and where endemic species find refuge in the crevices and shadows. The Tsingy is a reminder of nature's power to create beauty in the most unexpected forms. It feels like a world from another planet, where the raw power of the earth is evident, and at the same time, it is a sanctuary for life, home to species found nowhere else on the planet. The pristine shores of Nosy Be, with sands as white as sugar and waters shimmering in shades of turquoise and blue, invite you. Here, coral reefs lie beneath the surface, vibrant and alive, a world of color beckoning divers and swimmers to explore the underwater realm. This is a paradise for those seeking solace, where the rhythm of the waves lulls you into a state of blissful relaxation. The sunsets here are nothing short of magical, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, a daily reminder of the beauty that exists in the world. Every moment on this beach is a celebration of life, a connection to the earth that nourishes the soul. But what truly makes Madagascar unique and fascinating is its extraordinary wildlife. Madagascar's national parks are sanctuaries for this incredible biodiversity. Isolo National Park, with its sandstone formations and deep canyons, invites exploration. The lakes and waterfalls are oases of tranquility, where you can pause and reflect on the beauty of the world. And Andesabi Mantadia National Park, a lush rainforest echoing with the calls of the Indri, offers a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme. Here, the forest is vibrant, a rich ecosystem sustained by the interconnectedness of all living things. It is a place where the air is thick with possibility, where every rustle in the leaves could be a new discovery. Madagascar is home to a range of unique and endemic animals, many of which cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Here are some notable species on this poetic island. Lemur. The ring-tailed lemur, Lemur cata, is a large strepsirrhine primate and the most recognizable lemur due to its long, ringed tail. It is the only member of the genus Lemur. Like all lemurs, it is endemic to Madagascar. This species inhabits riverine forests to spiny scrub in the southern regions of the island. It is omnivorous and terrestrial, being active during the day. Highly social, ring-tailed lemurs live in groups of up to 30 individuals, with females being dominant. They huddle together for warmth and social bonding, and also sunbathe with their white underside facing the sun. They rely heavily on their sense of smell and mark their territory with scent glands. Males perform stink fights by rubbing their tails with scent and waving them at opponents. Despite being listed as endangered due to habitat destruction, ring-tailed lemurs breed easily in captivity and are the most populous lemur in zoos worldwide, with over 2,000 individuals. They typically live 16 to 19 years in the wild and up to 27 years in captivity. Indri. The Indri is a large arboreal primate with black and white fur, tufted ears, and a very short tail. Herbivorous, their diet mainly consists of leaves, fruits, and flowers. Indri is the largest living lemur and the largest strepsirrhine primate, averaging around 6.5 kilograms, but some can weigh up to 9 to 9.5 kilograms or more. It measures 64 to 72 centimeters in body length and nearly 120 centimeters when fully extended. Indri is found only in the northeastern rainforests of Madagascar, living in social groups of up to 10 individuals with monogamous pairs that stay together for life. This nocturnal primate has a unique appearance with large bat-like ears, round eyes, and a long bushy tail. Weighing around 3 kilograms and measuring about 40 centimeters, their dark brown fur gives them a woolly look. Eyes belong to the same branch as humans, monkeys, and apes. They live in tree cavities, are solitary, and walk on the ground instead of jumping and clinging like other primates. They use their long third finger to tap on trees to find insect larvae and gnaw through bark with ever-growing incisors to extract food. They also consume fruit, eggs, and bamboo shoots. Without a specific breeding season, females can give birth any time, typically having 2 to 3 offspring per year. Their average lifespan is 10 years. 2. Fossa, the bloodthirsty predator of Madagascar. The fossa, also known as the Cryptoprocta, is a carnivorous mammal at the top of the food chain in Madagascar, an island with a distinctive animal system formed by independent evolutionary processes due to geographical isolation from other regions. As the largest predator in Madagascar, an adult fossa measures between 70 to 80 centimeters from head to tail and weighs between 5.5 to 8.6 kilograms, with males being larger than females. They resemble a scaled-down version of large cats, such as leopards, but with a slender body and muscular limbs, and a tail nearly as long as the rest of their body. The biological classification of the fossa has caused much debate due to its physical similarities to members of the Felidae family, but some traits indicate a closer relationship to the Vivaridae family, particularly the civet cats and their relatives. Although their population density is often low, fossas are widely distributed across Madagascar. They typically live solitary lives in dense forests, actively hunting both day and night. The fossa's favorite food is lemurs, the island's endemic primates. They are capable of hunting lemurs of similar size. Additionally, fossas also eat rodents, lizards, birds, and other small animals. This species hunts both on the ground and in trees. With semi-retractable claws, similar to those of cats, and flexible ankles, they can easily climb up and down trees and move adeptly from tree to tree. Fossas communicate through sounds, scents, and visual signals. Their vocalizations include growls, threatening calls, and fear cries. Female fossas meow during the mating season, while males produce sighing noises when they find a female. Throughout the year, fossas mark their territory with scent on rocks and trees. During the mating season, males engage in fierce battles. After a short fight, the defeated one runs away while the victorious one gives chase for a short distance. 3. Chameleons. One of the most distinctive features of chameleons is their ability to change skin color. This not only helps them camouflage to avoid predators but also allows them to communicate with other individuals and express emotions. The color change is due to specialized pigment cells called chromatophores. Chameleons have a unique body structure, with features such as independently moving eyes and a long, extendable tongue for catching prey. They have specially designed feet and toes to grasp tree branches, aiding their climbing ability. Chameleon sizes vary greatly, from small species about 10 centimeters long to large ones over 60 centimeters. The largest species belong to the Furcifer genus, such as the panther chameleon. Chameleons primarily inhabit Madagascar's tropical rainforests and open woodlands. They prefer dense vegetation where they can hide and hunt for food. They are solitary animals and are mainly active during the day. Chameleons use their color-changing ability to camouflage and distract predators or rivals during fights. Their diet mainly consists of insects, but they also consume small animals like worms, spiders, and even other invertebrates. Some larger species may eat small lizards or birds. Most chameleons lay eggs, though some species give birth to live young. The egg-laying process can last several weeks, with clutch sizes ranging from several dozen to over 100 eggs. Eggs are usually buried in the soil or under leaf litter. Chameleons are a prime example of Madagascar's unique biodiversity and the wonders of nature. Understanding and protecting this species is crucial for maintaining ecosystem balance and exploring the intriguing mysteries of the natural world. 4. Turtles. Madagascar is home to several endemic and rare turtle species, many of which are facing extinction due to habitat loss and overexploitation. Here are some notable turtle species from Madagascar. Anganoka tortoise. Known for its domed shell with distinctive yellow and brown spots and stripes, this is one of the rarest land turtles in the world. They primarily live in the dry and rocky areas of western Madagascar. This species is critically endangered due to habitat loss, illegal hunting, and wildlife trade, and is listed as endangered by the IUCN. Radiated tortoise. Dubbed the most beautiful tortoise in the world, the radiated tortoise is heavily hunted. It primarily lives in the spiny forests of southern Madagascar. It can grow up to 41 centimeters in length and weigh up to 16 kilograms. Its yellow patterns radiate from each black segment on its dome-shaped shell. Habitat destruction and illegal trade are pushing this species toward extinction. Aldabra giant tortoise. Characterized by its large size, domed shell, and sturdy limbs. Although mainly known from the Aldabra atoll in the Seychelles, some individuals have been introduced to Madagascar. They inhabit grassy and savanna areas. They face fewer threats from humans compared to other species on Madagascar. Madagascar red tortoise, a freshwater turtle with a reddish-brown shell and flattened body. They live primarily in rivers and lakes of Madagascar. They inhabit freshwater and subtropical areas where they find food and shelter. Protecting these turtles is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance. 5. Madagascar mouse. The Madagascar mouse is one of the unique and rare rodent species of Madagascar. It is a large mouse with intriguing features, with a body length of up to 40 centimeters, excluding the tail, and weighing up to 2 to 3 kilograms. It is one of the largest rodents in Africa. Madagascar mice typically inhabit forests and shrublands, especially in moist and densely vegetated areas. They usually dig burrows for shelter. This nocturnal rodent has a diverse diet, including fruits, seeds, roots, and other plants. They may also eat insects and other small animals when necessary. They tend to live alone or in small groups. 6. Madagascar eagle. The Madagascar eagle is one of the endemic eagles of Madagascar, large and distinct with many characteristic features. It is a large eagle, with a body length of about 66 to 75 centimeters and a wingspan of 1.7 to 2.1 meters. They weigh between 2.5 and 3.5 kilograms, with dark brown plumage and a white head and neck. Its wide wings and strong talons are well suited for hunting and catching prey from water. It primarily inhabits areas near water such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They prefer environments with dense vegetation and water, where they can easily find food and build nests. This species primarily preys on fish and other aquatic animals, but can also eat small birds and amphibians. They often hunt from the air and are highly skilled at soaring. Madagascar beetles. Madagascar beetles refer to various endemic beetle species of Madagascar. Some prominent and well-known Madagascar beetles include 7. Titan beetle, one of the largest beetles in the world, reaching up to 16 centimeters in length, including the antennae. They are distinguished by their enormous size and impressive body shape. They live mainly in the tropical rainforests and shrublands of Madagascar. These beetles typically inhabit areas with dense vegetation. They primarily feed on plant material, including leaves and bark. 8. Giraffe beetle. Known for its unique appearance with yellow and brown spots resembling a giraffe. They are large, about 10 to 12 centimeters long. They live in the tropical rainforests and shrublands of Madagascar, preferring areas with dense vegetation. They mainly feed on leaves, fruit, and other plant materials. Prionis beetle. Members of the Prionis genus have medium-sized, elongated, and narrow bodies. They are colored from brown to black and may have spots or stripes. They typically inhabit tropical rainforests and shrublands where there is ample vegetation for feeding. Their diet primarily consists of leaves and other plant materials. Dynastini beetles. This subfamily is famous for its large and uniquely shaped beetles. They are typically large with distinctive body structures. They live mainly in the tropical rainforests of Madagascar, where they find plenty of plants and shelter. Their diet mainly includes plant material and may also include fruit and seeds. Some species may eat small animals if necessary. Madagascar beetles are not only a crucial part of the ecosystem, but also examples of the island's unique biodiversity. Protecting them helps maintain ecosystem balance and safeguard other animal species living in similar environments. 9. Madagascar rainbow fish. Also known as the red-tailed rainbow fish, this species was first recorded by zoologist Jacques Pellegrin in 1907. The Madagascar rainbow fish is endemic to Madagascar, an island off the east coast of Africa in the Indian Ocean. They are found in calm, shaded areas of the Manangere River, which flows eastward. The Madagascar rainbow fish is characterized by its torpedo-shaped body, light brown-yellow color with a bluish sheen. A dark blue stripe runs horizontally across its body, with a shorter, fainter stripe below it. Males have bright crimson fins and tail. Females resemble males but with lighter or transparent fins. Madagascar is a treasure trove of unique and fascinating animal species, each playing a crucial role in the island's ecosystem. However, many species are at risk due to human activities, so conservation and protection of their habitats are essential.